I'm an Amazon associate. That means if you use the Amazon links in my video descriptions to purchase kits, tools, or equipment featured on the channel, I will earn a small commission, at no extra cost to you. It's a simple way to support this channel while picking up the items that you already need. Welcome back to the channel, Modeling Maestro here. Today we are finishing up the 1/48th scale A-1H Skyraider from Tamiya. The model has been painted and has a flat coat. Now it's time to add the large characteristic smoke stains found on Skyraiders. The staining will be achieved using artist oils. The color on these stains consists of burnt sienna, black, and some grays. The staining starts a bit after the exhaust. I started with the burnt sienna and pulled it back with a soft brush. I then added the black, but applied less of it. As I started to achieve the proper shape of the stains, I used Q-tips to remove some of the oils. This process became a mixture of adding and removing oils to find just the right balance. These effects could also be achieved with an airbrush. However, I felt I would have more control using brushes and Q-tips. In this photo, you can see the 4 20mm cannons I made from tubing. These would later be fit, trimmed, and glued in the wings. Next, the aftermarket seat was ready to be painted. I used Vallejo Model Color acrylic paints and mixed the colors to achieve just the right look for the cushion and belts. In this photo, you can see the weathering I achieved around the walkways. This was done by stippling artist oils with various brushes. Next, I added white glue to apply the windscreen. I next wrapped thin wire around a piece of thin brass rod to achieve the coil wire found at the rear of the cockpit. Finally, it was time to attach the folded wings. I scratch built a more accurate antenna and placed it on the starboard wing. And with that, the model is now complete. This kit went together really well. I did add a new resin seat, a resin rear wheel, wing folds, and pylons. Without these, the build could have taken just a few hours to construct the model. I was actually surprised by how few steps were found in the instructions. Even despite the extra work, this was a very satisfying build. Well, that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.